Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday. After a couple of warm days in the Western Cape, we're expecting a change on Tuesday, and that's with the arrival of a cold front, cooling temperatures off in the west. It also brings in most of the rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa, but it also spreads out chance of rainfall through to the southern part of the country in the second part of the day. Ahead of the front, berg winds and a coastal low result in sizzling hot temperatures for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures remain warm in the northeast, with a few isolated thundershowers expected to form across the Northern Cape. Our rainfall probability map shows that band of isolated thundershowers extending across the Northern Cape on Tuesday evening, possibly reaching the southern part of South Africa as we head into Tuesday night. And that cold front brings in most of the rainfall over the southwestern parts, with a chance of rainfall decreasing as we head up the west coast as well as further inland. It'll be a warm afternoon in the northeast, 27 degrees for Pretoria, Potchefstroom and Vryburg, just shy of 30 for Phalaborwa and Bombela, 26 for Mahikeng. A mild afternoon is in store for Bethlehem at 23 degrees. Sizzling hot temperatures are forecast over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal interior, 34 as we head towards Pietermaritzburg, with Bishu and Umtata at 33 degrees. Around 30 along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, 22 for Port Elizabeth with a fresh southwesterly wind. You'll see northeasterly winds for Durban and Richards Bay with a 1.5 metre easterly swell at 9 seconds. Hot for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East at 33, Beaufort West at 31, but with cooler temperatures as we head further west, Vredendal with the possibility of rain at 21 degrees. A cool day is in store from Muizenberg through to Cape Agulhas, all in the teens with a westerly wind. We're forecasting a 3 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds along the south coast, with southwesterly winds between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay with a high of around 20 degrees. Cool over the western part of the Northern Cape, 18 from Sutherland through to Springbok. Warm for much of the province, hot for Uppington at 32 with evening thundershowers expected. Cool as we head towards the west coast with maximum temperatures in the teens. We're forecasting a westerly wind for Cape Town with southwesterly winds for Langebaan and Alexander Bay, and a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds along the west coast. Temperatures remain cool on the Western Cape all the way through to Wednesday with highs in the teens. You'll see cooler weather moving in over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with a few drops of rain for East London. Isolated thundershowers are forecast over the central interior with a warm day across the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.